You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power steering, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, MP3 player, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.